Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and Miss Cali Cat is on the bed. There's somebody outside sawing. Sorry about that. But today, y'all, it's like 74 here today. So really feeling the fall today. It means I may have to close my pool. I haven't been in it in several weeks anyway. I guess it's time. And that part makes me sad. But anyway, today I have an Ulta haul. Okay, just making sure I didn't show my address. I don't know how I feel about my smoky eyes, y'all. What do y'all think? How did I do? It's my first ever. Y'all, I did the tape trick where you put the tape and then you put them. It did work. I mean, it did work. The tape, you know, I had to fix, you know, around, but it worked. I mean, anyway, back to what I got from Ulta. Now, Ulta was doing, you know, the 21 days of deals thing, and each day you could get a different deal. So 2 of the days I decided to order something. This was actually the first day I ordered something. The second day I arrived early, and so I've already made a film about it, but let's make a film about this one. Now, the main reason I decided to do it is because, yes, I saw an influencer who influenced me, and they were talking about this beauty blender, beauty sponge. It wasn't a beauty blender, it was a beauty sponge. They were just raving about it, talking about how great it was. Now, I've tried the beauty blender. I've tried a sponge from Luxie. I've tried the Beauty Bakery, which is what I tend to use, is the Beauty Bakery ones. So we're going to see if there's any real hype behind the Real Techniques Miracle Airbrush Sponge. And so that is why I went on here to begin with, because I wanted to try this sponge. It's a $5.99 sponge, and it's supposed to be great for blending and mattifying. So I want to feel what it feels like. So we're going to open it up. So $6, a lot better than the Beauty Blender, which is like $20. It is a squishy sponge. Of course, I can't try it out. I've already put the makeup on, but I will try it out tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I think of this Real Techniques sponge. Miracle Airblend Sponge. Blend and mattify with Real Techniques Miracle Airblend Sponge. This sponge has memory foam technology that hugs the surface of your skin for medium to full coverage and a natural matte finish. Can be used with foundations, concealers, or color correctors for a natural matte finish. Solution for uneven tone and texture. Medium to full coverage, dermatologist tested and safe for sensitive skin. 100% vegan and cruelty free. Part of the Real Techniques Sponge Plus collection. Air Light Foam hugs the surface of your skin for smooth, even coverage. 3-point precision application for a natural matte finish. Flat edge to apply and cover. Round sides to blend and blur large areas of the face with a dapping motion. Precision tip to conceal and perfect blemishes and imperfections. Antimicrobial infusion to keep skin healthy for up to 30 days. Okay. So it does have a stamp on there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I'm gonna try it. We'll see how it does. We'll see if I like it better than the Beauty Bakery. But really, you can't beat the little, you know, half egg carton it comes in at the Beauty Bakery. So cute. But I did get that in a box, so I don't know exactly how much that costs. Let's look at what's next. All right, the actual thing that was on sale that day were the Buxom lipsticks. So, yeah, you know me. I got 3. They were on sale for $10. I got Dolly Dreamer, Rockstar, and Influencer. Wonder why I got that one. I guess I had it on the brain. Dolly Dreamer is a mauve. Influencer is a spicy brown, and Rockstar is a mystery mauve. I have tried a Buxom sample before, and I liked it, and I gave it to my mom because she liked it too. But this is a Full Force Plumping Lipstick. I think they're normally $20. Yes, they are normally $20. I got them for $10, and they have many colors. Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipstick is a full coverage creamy lipstick that smooths and fills for visibly plumper ultra lash lips. So we'll start with Dolly Dreamer. Cute packaging. Look at y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but there are little prints of lips on there. Just gorgeous. So we're gonna stick it on there. It does have a very curved applicator. That's why it looks like that on. I think that'll work. Very cute. Dolly Dreamer. This is Rockstar. If I can get it open. Oh, it smells good too. Oh, it smells very nice. I love a lipstick that has a nice smell to it and not that old, like, it's gone out lipstick smell that some of them used to have. Definitely a mauve color. I have been more into the mauves and purples lately now that I figured out I can actually pull them off. Very cute, and the formula on this just feels lovely on your skin. Really nice. I really like it. And this is Influencer. What do you think? How'd I do on the colors? Because like I said, there were a lot of colors, and so I was like, okay, I gotta get a variety here so we can try them out. I'm gonna start trying to make myself do those videos where I'm trying the lipstick on, just little shorts. I am not used to making a short video, and so that 15 seconds doesn't seem like enough for me. I am putting one out today, which, what is today? Today is the 22nd of September. So very cool. I'm liking the Buxom. Which one's your favorite? Which one would you wear? I want to know. Y'all always comment below and let me know what you think of the stuff I got. If I got a good deal, if you like the colors, if you want to see me try a different color, any of that stuff, I love to hear it. I appreciate it so very much. And while you're down there, I also appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press the notification bell. So let me see what is next on my list. Okay, so this must have been free, because it says free fruit lip gloss in raspberry with a $30 lip purchase. All right, this is Winky Lux. Look at the tininess of the Winky Lux. Y'all, I have one Winky Lux product, and it says it's a lavender gloss. Well, I can't remember if it's a, it's a lavender something, but it's vanilla. I don't know, I guess because it's a lavender color in the tube. That is so confusing me. I'm easily confused. pH matching gloss adjusts to a deep pink stain. Contains hydrating raspberry seed oil, natural raspberry flavor. All right. I had to get a sniff of that so I could see if it was raspberry or not. Once I stick this on, cute little packaging. And here is the tiny sample. Very cute. Y'all, I think you can get Winky Lux at Walmart. I kind of think I saw it there. So let's just try it on. I don't know how that pH thing is gonna work with, you know, not on my lips, but it does give it a little bit of a pink. Yep, raspberry. Interesting. pH gloss. We'll have to play with that too. I was looking to see if it had changed color any. I don't know that it has, but you know, sometimes it takes those pH ones just a little bit to set into their final color, I guess you call it. All right, next is this retractable, long-lasting mechanical pencil. You know, I've been liking the mechanical eyeliners. I love these tiny ones because they help me to tight line. And this, what does it say? This is a NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Eyeliner Crayon in purple. Y'all, I do like to line in purple sometimes, especially if I'm not wearing purple, because purple does bring out the hazel in my eyes. So it's kind of a cheat to help bring my purple, you know, bring the hazel out in my eyes. So I got this one for $5.50. And actually right now they're doing a buy one, get one at half off. Here, Bonnie, she's over there crawling through. I had some paperwork and stuff on the bed right beside the blanket that I put on the bed, and she's over there trying to get in it. So they also have a lot of colors. Black, bronze, brown, deep blue, deep purple, gold, golden olive, gray, gypsy blue, purple, silver, and white. So if that's something you're interested in, just so you know. And it is definitely a purple, but it will make a small line. It does glide on nicely. Probably should have went with the deep purple for my, you know, what I have in mind, but I'm such a purple girl. Look at that. Purple girl in purple world. No, wait, that's not the same song. Okay. So, moving along. Y'all, this breeze feels so nice. This is the Wonder Stick by NYX Professional Makeup. I paid $12. I have been looking for some other contour, because the contour stick I have is getting low. And I have been using the KDV powder, but I do like to have a cream contour on occasion. Some days you just feel like a cream instead of a powder. So I thought I would try this one for 12 bucks. Also buy one, get one half off right now. This one is in Universal. I just went with Universal because, you know, I'm not good at picking the colors. It's got the highlighter and the contour in one. I love these in one things. It just makes it so much easier to have it all right there. The Wonder Stick. You can get this in Universal, light, medium, or deep. And I don't know, maybe light would have been appropriate, but I just wanted to try it. You know I love trying things. I'd have to blend that out to the bands, wouldn't I? My goodness. And here is the highlighter side. Ooh, that does highlight. Ooh. Have y'all ever tried this? Do you think, you know, that stuff can be universal? I've seen stuff about, you know, universal lipsticks and things like that. The universal red that'll go on everybody. And I've been thinking about trying some of that stuff. I just don't know. What do y'all think? I mean, that looks like it'd be pretty dark unless I blend it out like cray-cray. I don't know. I'll try it because it always looks dark to me until I put it on my face. So, anyway, kind Contour sticks are changing the game with just one swipe. Amplify your look with NYX Professional Makeup All-Purpose Wonder Stick, the dual-ended highlighter and contouring stick with its creamy finish. The Wonder Stick conceals, highlights, and contours with ease with a natural sculpting look. Create the illusion of a straw jawline, which is what I like to do. And chiseled cheeks and a slimmer nose. This highlighter pen adds both depth and definition to your natural facial features. With this easy two-step Wonder product, contouring and highlighting with makeup has never been easy. The Wonder Stick is available in different shades, combinations to fit every skin tone, including one flattering universal shade. Featuring a vegan formula with no animal derivative ingredients or byproducts. All NYX Professional Makeup products are proudly cruelty-free and keto certified. Well, that's nice. I don't think I read to you about the pencil. We'll do that really fast and then we'll be done. Twist and Shout. NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Eyeliner combines intense pigmentation with ultimate staying power in a smudge-proof long-wear liner. Twist up the mechanical eyeliner pencil. Its creamy eyeliner delivers intense pigmentation and precise application in an easy twist-up tube with a fine point tip that never needs sharpening. The hydrating formula glides on effortlessly and lasts all day. This long-lasting eyeliner is smudge-proof through heat and humidity. Features a wide variety of color eyelining shades, from white eyeliners to blue eyeliners that enhance and brighten eyes, as well as classic black eyeliners to finish off your eye. Used to create a classic winged eye look or play with lining your waterline and tight lining. Cruelty-free. So what do you think? Did y'all get anything from the 21 days of deals sale? I want to know what y'all bought. And do you think that I got the right stuff? Let me know. Y'all know I love to hear it. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.